Not even. I usually try to escape without even tampering, anyways. I wonder what build Zonius goes on Danny. Oh, her face AFK. What? Is that Wyatt? Nice. And gates open. Probably useless to do this, but whatever. Need to find a pressure valve. Pressure valve up here. Oop. What if I turn the generator back on for them? That'd be funny, right? There's a pressure valve. That's right there. Yeah, this takes a while. I tampered the pressure valve, so it's gonna open. GG. Oh. Just door slammed the hitchhiker. I think both doors on battery is also open, yeah. GG. Guarantee you, if I had no delay on my stream, there's no way I would have got that off. It just streams night the whole time. How much longer till it's open? Nice. And on the road. Hell yeah, dude. Go, go, go. What is this Leatherface and Sissy doing, bro? Like... Oh my god. Dude had 1 HP, bro. Holy shit. Shit, I wasn't prepared, bro. I wasn't prepared. Oh, it's Mill. Nice. Easy game, easy life. Oh my god, what's that shit? You're not a Leatherface. Nice. Brother. Where are all of the boxes? Since he's in the basement? Oh, it's Bones. What the hell? Why is Bones in the basement? Bones is in the basement. Love me some prime meat. Ain't no way this Bone's still in the basement, right? Oh my god, he is. What a dumbass. Bones is still in the basement, by the way. What the hell? What a dumbass. What the hell, bro? That's my meat sweet. This Bones is really bad, holy shit. That's my meat sweet. Boy, if you don't get off my gate. That's my meat sweet. Alright, you getting the battery or the gate? Alright, I'll get the gate. Oh yeah, I don't have bomb squad anyways. That's my meat sweet. Alright, we got battery open. That's my meat sweet. Looks like one's coming over here. Maybe? Yeah, Hitch and Cook are both battery. Oh, they're chasing Connie, that's why. That's my meat sweet. GG!
Yes, that was all you guys.
Nice! The Hitchhiker DC, nice. Better kick that gen, boy. Wait, they're all over there on the other side. Yeah, that's why you don't play Bones and Sissy. GG, easy, dude. Yeah, see, I could have played a family game and that could have happened to me, but instead I chose to go the easy route and play victim, dude. GG, easy, dude. Man, I'm so smart. Somebody has to help us. The dark side of the moon. Need to level up my Danny. Feel kind of scummy playing Danny, but got to get those levels, bro. Oops. Oh, there's a Leatherface. I need to stab someone. I hope this will do. too loud, bro. Way too loud. Cook, so that's good. Okay. Jesus Christ, this Connie, dude. Okay, she's coming after me instead of Connie? Weird. It's an interesting choice. And they're DC. Yep. Lol. Good job, Sissy. Your whole team just DC'd because you're throwing and playing Sissy. Oh, we got a little smart. Oh, I get a little smarter this time, huh? Nice. Damn, that was a close game, dude. Really close. Go, go, go. Gotta wake up my Wyatt. Our Wyatt's AFK. Oh, yeah, I think he's back. Go, go, go. Okay, this Leatherface wants me bad, I guess. Like usual. I think the Leatherface went up top. Fuck. I have a Johnny? Oh yeah, they do. Leland! Damn it, dude. Fucking AFK teammates, bro. Oh, that sucks. That's another thing that's like asked about this game too, is because the queues are so long. Like victim players will just literally like AFK for like 10 minutes because they're like, oh, well, the game's not gonna start anyways, and they get into one lobby that actually does start quickly. And then now we have one less like teammate. You know what I mean? It's unfortunate. But it is better to have an AFK teammate on victim than on family. So yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised that we're getting into games though. It looks like my teammates have done a couple things, so that's good. Oh shit. What the fuck? I can't move. What the actual fuck, dude? He missed. I know that feeling playing Johnny. It's like you literally hit them, but you don't, so. Fun game, by the way. Yeah, that's another problem with playing family. Your swings just like literally go through people. Wait, can I name off everything that's wrong with this game? Can I just complain about that for like a whole day? List off literally every little single detail. I'm gonna make a video. All the things wrong with TCM. It'll be like 10 hours. They'll be like, okay, bro, like, we get it. The game's ass, we understand. But you still love it, though, and you keep playing it. Like, yes, I do love it, but it's ass. Be like, alright, bro. Gotta get this door open, too. Nice. Ain't you shifty? Don't bleed out on me yet. Look at this Johnny. Johnny's in the basement. Fuck, I wanted to backstab him. Okay, he's coming back up. And Makani died. Nice. What the fuck is my Wyatt doing? Hello? Hello? Yikes, dude. Yikes. Oh, there's a valve. Should I be an asshole and tamper? No way I got this off, right? I like how I just said that I wasn't going to be tampering probably, and now I'm tampering. Wait, where's this Leatherface at? Like, disappeared. The Leatherface DC'd. Did he even check it? I don't think he checked it, did he? Oh, they were on... Wait, why are they on Jen's side? No one's even over there. Oh, the Wyatt's still alive, actually. The valve is about to pop, by the way. There's Johnny. I kind of want to backstab him. He's probably not going to let me, though. Did he see me? No, he saw me. What's happening? What is happening, dude? Please, what is going on? Holy shit, dude.